how to use the military discount code for YouTube TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the military discount code for YouTube TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use the military discount code for YouTube TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the YouTube TV website or open the YouTube TV app. Step 2. Search for any available military discounts or promotions. Step 3. If no information is available, contact YouTube TV customer support via chat or email. Step 4. Ask if they offer any military discounts or promotions. Step 5. Provide proof of military service if required, such as a military ID or verification documents. Step 6. Once confirmed, follow the instructions to apply the discount to your subscription. So that's how you can use the military discount code for YouTube TV. That's all for this video.